Hi guys, welcome back. So we are in the second week in June and just thought I'd give you a quick look around the Polytunnel and maybe a little harvest. And before we get started, I'd just like to say thank you to all the new subscribers and the existing ones, and for everyone leaving comments, really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button, really helps the channel out. Right then, so we'll start by the door. Got a couple of tumbling tom tomatoes ready to go out in hanging baskets. Some red baron onions from seed, they need planting out. Some spare tomato plants at the back there. Some of them already got tomatoes on. They're only in small pots at the moment. If I get room, I'll put them in somewhere. A few spare lettuce and kale ready to go out. Picked up red currant cutting for £1.50 from the local supermarket the other day. And at the back, got a couple of the sweet peppers. Marrow ready to go out. Some chard there. I think they're rhubarb chard. And then been sowing some more seeds. Got the North Holland blood red spring onions. And a tray of beetroot. There's two different types in there. Got the Cylindra and Crosby's Egyptian, I think. And then I've just bought these in from indoors. They'll get potted on, and these 5 are staying in here in 20-litre pots, hopefully. And there's 3 of the black pineapple and 2 of the black creme, and these were sent to me by LED, so thank you very much for them. And they're going on this side sometime this week in their new pots. And then behind that we've got another sweet pepper. Nice pepper on there. Plants are only short, you can see where they're topped, just here. That's encouraging these side shoots to push out. And then next to that, this one is cayenne chili pepper. And that is just loaded. And I've just tipped these tanks upright and put a couple of pepper plants in them. And I've also got the sprouts still to go out. I have put half of them out, and this half can go out tomorrow or the day after. But those pepper plants coming along really well now. That one is a jalapeno. Quite a few chilies starting on that. And the one next to it is a sweet long pepper. And I think these 3 are sweet peppers as well. Another one here. It's another sweet pepper. And there's a couple of fruit on that. But you can see here where we cut the original shoot off. That's encouraged all these side shoots to sprout up. Got some leeks, desperately need to go out, and a couple of spare aubergines. Another pepper plant here. Again, quite a few peppers on that. And nice strong stalk on it. And you can see there somewhere where we cut the original stem. These are some side shoots off some of the tomato plants, and these were put in the other week, and there's roots coming out the bottom, so some more spare tomato plants there. Giant onions, looking okay. This one here is the biggest one so far, and that is 15 inches around, and I haven't measured any of the other ones yet. And we've got a super mama tomato there with fruit forming on it, and just keep encouraging that pollen. And that's another super mama behind it. Some more onions back there. Another jalapeno. This one's quite small. Aubergine Clara. These are the white ones. A couple more sweet peppers in the back there. Another side shoot off a tomato plant. Already got flowers on it. And then the single seed potato cuttings. Showing signs of roots coming out the bottom of the pots. So they're ready to go out. Some more side shoots. Aubergine Clara. This one is for the single seed challenge, and that's doing really well. I'll have to do an update on that. Cucamelons. They are tiny. But they need to be potted on, and I'm going to get some more trellis in along here. And behind the cucamelons we've got some black turtle beans, again from LED, and they're getting planted out anywhere I find spaces. And cucumber, I'm going to harvest this one today. That's nice size. And got another one starting at the top of that one in the back, just there. One in the back of that one. Another one on this one. And there's a couple at the top of this one. Just need to pull them through the mesh, otherwise I'll never be able to pick them. And then in the middle here we've got mini bell tomato, and that seems to have stopped its growing tip and it's just pumping out trusses, so I don't think we'll get much more after these on that, but every truss has tomatoes on it. And again, just tickle them to help with pollination. And then down here we've got some tumbling toms on either side here. And so what I've done with these is put a little hole in the pot and tied the plant down to kind of force it to grow over the edge. And I've done exactly the same with this one and this one here. And we've got Black Beauty aubergine here. Anyway, let's get this cucumber harvested and we'll pop and have a quick look near the polytunnel. So when you're harvesting your cucumbers, just twist them off like that. It's a nice sized cucumber. Have that with our tea tonight. Right, so we'll pop and have a quick look near the polytunnel and see how everything is over there. So in the smaller polytunnel, you can see got a few tomatoes ready to pick and a few nearly ready on this side, but we'll get them picked and pick a couple of these outer lettuce leaves on the cut and come again. And we've got another 3 cucumbers on there. So get these picked. So they're the first of the tomatoes. These are bush cherry, can't remember the variety, I'll have to go back on one of my videos. But the rest of these are all starting to get fruit on them now. just keep helping pollination. And same on that side. And a few of the strawberries up on the vertical garden are ready to be picked. A nice one there. Right then guys, so I also harvested one of the crates of garlic, and I didn't do it on camera, which I'm quite gutted about, because there's some decent cloves in there, but you can make them out. These are the pink Germador, and there's the odd small one, but I was actually quite worried about these, but they've turned out okay. Just let these dry out for the day, and give them a clean up and hang them up. Right then, so giving them a quick rinse, and I'll just let them dry out in here. But overall, quite happy with them, considering that I thought there wasn't going to be anything there. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 17 cloves there, and they were all planted in the one shopping basket. And picked a couple more strawberries from the side of the polytunnel. Tomatoes, lettuce, and of course the cucumber. Right guys, so that's about it for this one. That's what I've got going in the polytunnels. And first harvest of garlic. Right guys, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and leave a like and drop me a comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you all. Bye for now.